Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. So now in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can restore your website in Siteground in one click. Okay, so when you log into Siteground, you can see a number of settings here. And one of the reason why sometimes we need to do restore is because things happen to the website on and off. So this is my domain name, and you can see that right now it's having a critical error after updating a plugin. So sometimes you may encounter error like this when you update WordPress version, when you update plugin, or when you do some stuff in your WordPress website. Then in these times, then you will need to restore your website using the latest copy. So you log in to SiteGround, and under security, you can see that there's a backup. So click on backup. Hello, hope that you are enjoying the video so far. Are you currently looking for affordable web hosting services for your WordPress website? Now, for less than $3 a month, you can get a free domain name, free email address, and different data center to select. So go check out SiteGround via my affiliate link, and you can purchase any plan, and also comes with free domain name. Now, back to the video. Okay, so depending on the hosting plan that you have, may or may not be able to create manual backup. Okay, so now this is the backup that being done every day. So even if you have the most basic hosting plan, they will help you to back up your website every day. So today something wrong happened to my website, so I'm going to restore my website using the most dated copy. So I just click on this action and I select restore all files and database. So I click on here, restoring all files and database, just click confirm. So give it a while. So after a few minutes, you can see there's a success message here. So click close. And one thing before you check your website is to go to caching, and in the dynamic cache, try to flush the cache so that it will be refreshed. Okay, so now this is the previous look of my website. Then I click refresh, and now my website is back to normal. So I hope that you find this video useful in restoring your website in Siteground when things happen. So if you like this information, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.